Good afternoon, folks. My name is Jim Aspel. I'm a workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut. And today I wanted to answer the question, am I covered for Connecticut workers' compensation benefits if I'm involved in a motor vehicle accident while on the job? The short answer is yes. In our practice, we represent a lot of people who drive for a living. Tractor trailer drivers, delivery drivers, visiting nurses, people who are out running errands for their employer at their employer's request. If you're involved in a motor vehicle accident in any of those circumstances, regardless of fault, you are going to be covered under the Connecticut Workers' Compensation Act. That means you are entitled to benefits for your lost wages. Your medical expenses are going to be covered for at 100%, and you're going to be entitled to any scheduled permanent partial disability benefits in accordance with the Workers' Compensation Act. Again, you're going to be eligible for those benefits whether or not the accident was caused by you or caused by somebody else. The only exception to that is if the cause of the accident was your intoxication. Intoxication is a defense to a Connecticut workers' compensation claim. That's true whether or not it is a motor vehicle accident or some other injury. If you're intoxicated and that's the cause of your injury, then you're not going to be eligible for workers' compensation benefits. Now, as sometimes happens, the motor vehicle accident is going to be caused by the negligence of another party. Say, for example, you're rear-ended, somebody runs a stop sign and collides with you, somebody runs a red light and collides with you. In that instance, not only are you going to be eligible for workers' compensation benefits, but you're also entitled to bring a claim against the owner and operator of the vehicle that hit you, a negligence action for personal injuries. That allows you to recover damages for pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life's activities, and all of these other things that aren't covered under the workers' compensation statutory scheme. So the benefits that you're entitled to are going to really depend on the fault of the accident. So at a minimum, if the accident was caused by your fault, you have the Workers' Compensation Act to fall back on, and the benefits will be paid in that way. If the accident was caused by somebody else, then in addition to the Workers' Compensation Act, you are going to be able to bring a third-party action as well for additional damages. There is some interplay between those two systems, which is more involved than I want to go into in this video, but it's something that I would be happy to explain to you if you were ever in that situation. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, we're in Farmington, Connecticut. You can call us at any time, 860-523-8783. You can visit our website at aspbellaw.com. There's a lot of good information there. We have a Facebook group, Ask a Connecticut Workers' Compensation Attorney. You can post a question there. And then finally, we do have a YouTube channel as well, ctworkinjurylawyer.com. So again, hope this helps. If you have any questions about any of your work injury questions in Connecticut, just give us a holler. Thanks.